Experience a magic that skin moisturize what? Experience a magic that skin moisturizes during sleep. I think moisturizes is supposed to be where skin is. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing another unboxing slash unbagging. This is the K Beauty box, the Beauteque K Beauty box for the month of October, hopefully. I haven't seen it yet, so hopefully it's for October, not September. We'll see. But I do get this every single month from Beauteque themselves. I do not pay this. I don't pay for this with my own money. They do send this my way. So thank you so much to Beauteque for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. And I do have want to get this out there. I do have a coupon code if you guys do want to use it. It's not affiliated or anything like that. I'm not getting paid for it, but they're just being super nice. And if you do buy anything, you can use the code Kenzie25 to get 25% off your box. So there's that, but I really do love getting these boxes every month. So you guys, if you want to see what is in this K Beauty box for the month of September slash hopefully October, then just keep watching. Alright, we'll go ahead, cut this baby open here, and we will open. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so the theme this month is Girls Night In. I love that. This is for September. It is for September. I don't know. I think that they're just sending these boxes to me at the end of each month. So this one is for September, not October. At the end of this month, I'll probably get October's. Ooh! Oh, we got some things. First things first, I see this Echo Touch Nail Essence Oil Pen. Oh, this is fun. I've never used one of these before. I've never used any kind of oil pen in my life. Am I doing this right? Oh, there we go. Look, it's very oily. Very nice, very nice. I like this a lot. I have spent so much time trying to get this to work, but it feels really good. Next up, we have the Quick Dry Hair Mist. It's in the shade. It's not a shade. It's in like the scent Cherry Blossom. Ooh, that smells so good. That smells really good. I don't have the best sniffer in the world. I don't have the best sense of smell, but that smell is really good. So I'll see what that is, hopefully when we open this up, but I don't know what it is yet. Next up, we have two things that seem to be the exact same thing right here. It says, "I'm sorry for my skin." Why? Don't be sorry for your skin. This is a peeling pad and moisture mask. Oh, so we got like a 2-in-1 kind of thing here. I don't know if it's like something that you put on and you peel off, or if it's some kind of like serum that you put on your face that makes your face peel. I hope that's not what that is, but I'll try this out and give it a shot. Maybe I'll do it later on tonight after I take my makeup off. Who knows?
Oh my gosh!
Are these scrunchies? How cute. Oh, I love them so much. They're so soft. I love scrunchies. They've come very much back in style, but I love scrunchies. I can't wait to use these. When I take my extensions out, I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail and I will 100% use this. This is like my favorite thing so far. We've got two more things in the box here. Next up, we have this Green Tea Pure Cleansing Balm. Oh, and this one actually says for sensitive skin. Oh, I love that. I have very sensitive skin. This is by the brand Yada. We've gotten things from them before. Kind of reminds me of the Pharmacy, the Green Clean Cleansing Balm. Yeah, it looks very similar to the Pharmacy one. Even similar color. The Pharmacy one is a little lighter. Ooh, it smells. It kind of smells like, I don't know, it kind of maybe it's green tea. Kind of smells like aloe to me. Very clean, very, very clean. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out, especially if it's for like sensitive skin. I do like that a lot because I do have very sensitive skin. And then last but certainly not least, ooh, we have a Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Sleeping Pack. It's whitening and anti-wrinkle. Experience a magic that skin moisturize, what? Experience a magic that skin moisturizes during sleep. I think moisturizes is supposed to be where skin is. That's funny. But this is still really cool. And here is what it looks. Oh, I was not expecting it to look like this, to be honest. This looks like hair gel. It is hyaluronic acid aqua sleeping pack. So I guess this is a mask that you put on before you go to bed. And it's supposed to really hydrate the skin. I'm gonna feel what it feels like. I have a feeling it's gonna be very liquidy and it's gonna kind of feel like water. Ooh, it's thick. I don't know if you saw that, but that literally, can I replicate that? Came out like a droplet of water. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Ooh, oh my gosh, that really is that's quite thick, but it's really hydrating. Holy cow, I really like that. I don't use a lot of sleeping masks or anything like that. If I'm gonna use a mask, even if it's a sleeping mask, I'll usually just put it on, wait 20 minutes and then take it off. That feels really nice. I'm gonna keep it on my hand just for fun. But that is everything in the actual box this month. And here is everything in the little pamphlet, and it has the retail prices as well. I'm gonna go ahead and tally all this up for you guys so you can see how much I did get in value. I think the box is like $25 a month. So the green tea cleansing balm right here does retail for $23. The oil pen for your nails right here retails for $11. The quick dry hair mist right here retails for $8. And I'm actually kind of curious as to what it is. Spray the mist on wet hair and then blow dry. Oh! It's supposed to reduce your drying time. How cool. I'll give that a shot next time I wash my hair. Next up, we have the two adorable scrunchies. These both retail for $6. And then we have the hyaluronic acid sleeping pack right here. That is $18. And then the skin peeling pad and moisture pack right here is $10. So I actually think this is probably the best value box that I've gotten so far. The value of my box is $76, which I do think is actually really nice. I don't pay actually, the box in general is like $25, but I do get it sent to me. But I think that's actually a really good value, honestly. I really enjoyed this box. I'm obsessed with these, and I really can't wait to try that hyaluronic acid pack. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the masks. I love this one. I love face masks, as you know. So every single time the masks do come in this cute little purple pouch. And then it is the same theme right here, Girls Night In, very cute. Starting off, we have a green tea, the Vert. I don't know what that is, but maybe it's the brand Real Nature. Again, these are all Korean beauty brands. Very, very cool. I love green tea. I actually have some green tea in my kitchen right now. Oh, this is adorable. Love Recipe Carrot Mask. Oh, look how cute. It reminds me of a little anime. That is freaking adorable. I love that. Oh, we have another one. Oh, I love this one even more. This one's peach. I love this one even more. This one is so adorable. Oh, I love it. Then we have a cucumber one, which is really cute. I love cucumber. Like to eat and as a face mask, because I think they have a lot of really good properties. Oh, this one's got a little fox on it. Renardew. I don't know how to actually pronounce that, but look, it's got a little fox. I think it's a little fennec fox. How cute is that? Oh, we got another one. We got a green one. That's so cute. And then it looks like we have two more from the same brand. These are Galaxy 3 times multi-masking program. So it looks like there's 3 different types of masks in each one. So you have one for your forehead, one for your cheek area, and one for your chin area. That's kind of cool. I'm digging that. And we have 2 versions. So that's cool. I like that. I have a lot of masks to try. I'm excited. And then, oh, these two, they're also from the exact same brand as these. These are round, and this is a coconut sheet mask and a avocado collagen mask. I love that. I love these. I'm hyped, you guys. I love these masks. I have so many to use now. But yeah, you guys, that has been the Beauteque K-Beauty box and the Mask Maven for the month of September. If you did get this as well, what are your thoughts? Do you like the box? Did you get different things? I don't know if they have variations. I don't know, but let me know what you got if you got the box. But yeah, you guys, it's gonna be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.